Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video we're coming to you from the Mediterranean islands of Malta and Gozo, and we're heading over to Gozo now. Gozo is just 9 miles long and 4.5 miles wide and has a population of around about 39,000 people, and it is known as the Island of the Three Hills. Gozo is famous for its temples, and even though it is a small island, there are around 46 churches here. There are more than just 3 hills here, even though it is known as the Island of the Three Hills, and some beautiful buildings and monuments, plenty of bars and restaurants, and very much reliant on tourism is Gozo, along with agriculture. And this is a beautiful square where you can sit and have a cuppa and watch the world go by. Lots of restaurants around this lovely square here in Gozo. Very soon we'll be visiting the Cittadel, which has 7,000 years worth of history, and it's free to roam around, although the museum does have a charge. Malta and Gozo played a big part in World War II, and here is a monument to all those people that lost their lives during the conflict between 1939 and 1945. It was unveiled by Queen Elizabeth II. In 1954. This round building is the seat of local government, and it is on this square known as Independence Square. Built in the Baroque style between 1733 and 1788. And I'm sure you'll agree, a spectacular building. In fact, all the buildings here are really good. I just love them. In like a Malta sandstone. Beautifully ornate as we go towards the Citadel. And here it is. And there's a little cat relaxing. Hello, little cat. Get lost. And we'll put more details of the Citadel in the description box below. From the top of the Citadel, you can see the whole of the island. Like I say, it is quite magnificent, and this church here is something special. And a fountain there of a fish squirting water. Doesn't look very happy though, does it, that fish? This is a fortified city, protecting from invaders. And at the top, you'll find cannons. For those with mobility issues, there is a lift that can take you right to the top. And this is something really special. It was helped that it was a beautiful day with a lovely blue sky. And as we walk up, you'll see all these ornaments on the wall, which you can actually go into these little shops and purchase. There are 7,000 years worth of history to explore here. And wherever I go, I do like to collect myself a nice ornament or fridge magnet. As we approach the top of the Citadel, you can see the whole of Gozo. There's a museum which I didn't go into, but we'll put more details in the description box below. And we're at the top now of the Citadel, and a beautiful view over the whole of Gozo, and lots of these churches that you can see, which are beautiful and spectacular. and cannons there to protect the island from invaders. And it really is worth a visit to Gozo, and if you're staying in Malta, you can get a boat over to Gozo Island. And a few safety instructions on the wall there as we look over the wall, but don't stand on the wall or jump off it. And the mountains and hills of Gozo. And a ferry service between Malta and Gozo will cost you around about €5 for a return trip, which is good value for money. And we're almost at the end of this little whistle-stop tour of Gozo in the Republic of Malta, from the top of the Citadel in the capital, Victoria. Famous for its churches, orange sand, snorkeling, shops and restaurants, and beautiful buildings. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.